on this Wednesday afternoon as we're seeing a little bit more cloud cover. Beautiful shot here of the Caesars Superdome. Jim Sion joining us with our first warning weather forecast and a little bit of rain there off the coast, Jim.
Yes, we're going to see these showers off and on through the afternoon, overnight tonight, all the way till Friday, probably Saturday as well. WDSU first warning radar showing us that rain. We had a good thunderstorm that moved right through the metro area. It actually became a thunderstorm right over the airport. But let's zoom in. First of all, the North Shore. Light showers right now. That may affect Slidell, Mandeville, Covington. You may get a passing shower here in the next half hour. But here's the major thunderstorm. Thibodaux, you're missing out on that heavier rain. Choctaw, you're getting it right now. These cells that you're looking at, moving from the east to the west at about 25 miles per hour. Good thunderstorm close to Boothville, and I think that maybe we're going to get an outflow boundary from that thunderstorm, so we could see that shower triggering a few more showers to the north. Unsettled, the best way to describe the weather for us over the next few days. 94 in Bogalusa, 95 in Baton Rouge. Hasn't rained in Baton Rouge yet. That's going to change, I think, in the next hour or so. Slidell at 90 and 84 in Gulfport. You can see where it rained. That's where temperatures are cooler. We're down at 87 degrees officially right now, Louis Armstrong International Airport, with that shower that moved through about an hour and a half ago or so. Easterly winds at about 9 miles per hour. We have a low pressure system. It's tough to pick out exactly where it is. It's kind of a broad area of low pressure at the upper atmosphere, but you can see that obviously there's a lot of moisture out here in the Gulf that's moving up on the state of Louisiana. We also have high pressure at the surface in the Carolinas, both of those working in tandem to bring that moisture up for the Gulf. And that's why our weather is going to be off and on rainy for quite some time. Again, this is more of an upper level system, so the Hurricane Center is not concerned about that. The Caribbean is quiet. There's the one tropical wave that we've been telling you about over the last couple of days. Very disorganized right now. 20% chance for development according to the Hurricane Center over the next 7 days. One for us to watch, especially when you consider that now we're getting to the most active portion of hurricane season. But as of right now, most of the computer models don't do anything major with it, so we'll watch it, and that's about it. Rain for us for this afternoon. The showers getting less numerous, I think, by the mid and late afternoon. And clouds may be breaking up just a little bit. But look what happens for us overnight. Right about midnight, 12:30 or so. More showers starting to move in tomorrow morning. A couple of showers off the coast, maybe a good thunderstorm over Gulfport. These computer models not getting a great handle on what's going on. We have so many factors playing a part in our weather right now. That upper level low, lake breeze, Gulf breeze, outflow boundaries from the thunderstorms. It's just going to be off and on, somewhat wet for us, all the way through Thursday, Friday, and probably Saturday as well. We'll put the chance for rain officially at 70% for Thursday and Friday. We'll have scattered showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm this afternoon. They should be tapering by the late afternoon and early evening. Then overnight tonight, showers ending early, but then isolated overnight showers, maybe even a thunderstorm. Tomorrow morning, we're likely to start with some rain close to the coast. Those showers and thunderstorms getting more numerous by the late morning and afternoon. 70% chance for rain Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Goes down to a 60% chance for rain on Sunday. And I still think the dew point temperatures are going to go down just a touch, by a tick or two. So that should mean it's a little less humid for us by Sunday afternoon and the holiday on Monday. That's your WDSU first warning forecast.